Water snake. Water snakes are smooth and harmless. They swim easily and eat frogs and fish. They love sunny rocks near lakes. Anacondas are the largest snakes in the world. They live in slow rivers and swamps. They can squeeze very tightly to catch their food. Water monitor. Water monitors are big lizards with long tails. They swim fast and climb trees near rivers. They are smart and curious explorers. Iguanas are green lizards that love sunbathing. They live near rivers and eat leaves. They can swim well with their long tails. Terrapins are small turtles that live in fresh and salt water. They rest on logs in the sun. Their shells protect them from danger. Bullfrogs are big and green with loud voices. They can jump far and eat almost anything. Their ribbit sound fills the night air. Tree frogs are tiny and colorful. They can stick to leaves and branches near ponds. They sing sweet songs after rain. Poison dart frog. These frogs are bright blue, red, or yellow. Their skin is poisonous to protect them. They live in wet forests near rivers. Axolotls look like smiling little dragons. They live underwater all their lives. They can regrow legs and even parts of their hearts. Water beetle. Water beetles have shiny bodies and paddle-like legs. They swim quickly under the surface. They come up for air like tiny divers. Water strider. Water striders can walk on water. Their legs don't sink because of special hairs. They glide fast across ponds and rivers. Dragonflies have long bodies and clear wings. They zoom over lakes catching mosquitoes. Their babies live underwater before they can fly. Damselflies look like dragonflies but are smaller and slimmer. They rest with their wings closed. They dance beautifully above the water. Mayflies are gentle insects that live only a short time. Their babies grow underwater for months. They show rivers are clean and healthy. Caddisflies make little homes from sand and twigs. They glue them together underwater. They are clever builders of the insect world. Water. Boatman. These bugs swim upside down using their legs like oars. They breathe through air bubbles. They live happily in ponds and lakes. Pond skaters slide quickly on the water surface. They hunt tiny insects that fall in. They look like they are dancing on the lake. Whirligig beetles spin in circles on the water. They have two pairs of eyes, one for air and one for water. They never stop moving. Freshwater. Mussels have hard shells and live buried in sand. They clean water by filtering it. They stay in one spot their whole lives. Freshwater snail. These snails have spiral shells and move slowly. They eat algae from rocks and plants. Their trails shine in the sunlight.